Let's learn how to change text color in Premiere Pro. First, select the text tool and write some text. Align the text for better visibility. To change the text color, go to the Essential Graphics panel and look under the Appearance tab. Click on the color box next to Fill, choose your desired color, and click OK. To add a border, check the stroke option, select a color, and adjust the width of the border. If you want to add a background color, check the background box and select any color. If you want to change the color of specific characters, select those characters, go to the Appearance tab, and change the fill and border colors accordingly. That's it. This is how you change text color in Premiere Pro. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, drop a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more.